Hey everybody, we're going to talk about the AirCross 300D2 portable extractor. So this is a 12-gallon portable extractor, 300 PSI, dual 2-stage vac motors. There's no heat, but this is a very simple run-of-the-mill carpet cleaning extractor. One cord, you don't have to worry about having two circuits. With two cords, it's a single circuit, one cord machine. I'm going to toss this to the side and we're going to talk about the machine. So your inlet is a 1.5 inch inlet for your vacuum. You have your outlet for your water pressure pump, the 300 PSI pump with a variable pressure regulator right here. You can go from 0 to 300. If you're doing upholstery cleaning or any kind of spot cleaning, I would suggest maybe 100 to 200 PSI. If you're doing carpet cleaning, then I would stick it right at the max being 300 PSI. This is going to be most commonly used in a commercial setting for commercial glue down carpet. You could use it for residential carpet cleaning, but I would probably move up to the heated unit if you're doing residential. Or if you just want something that's more entry level, a single cord unit instead of having a 2-cord unit, great machine for that. So here are your power switches and your pressure gauge. Your first power switch for vacuum 1, vacuum 2, and then your pump. This does not have autofill or auto pump out, so pump would mean your water pressure pump for your water coming out of here for your solution line. It does not come with hoses or wands, but we can bundle that together for you. Sometimes we also do promos and we bundle things together in different ways as well. And that way you can customize any kit that you want depending on what tools you like, what wands you like. There are a couple cup holders in the top here along with the 2 handles. So if you have spotter bottles or chemicals you're using or just a drink for yourself, right here is your water inlet. Pouring your fresh water into here, whether you're using plain water or if you're using an acid rinse or maybe a detergent rinse. I'm a big fan of using 2 buckets. Try to make things as dummy proof as possible. You could even go as far as using a blue bucket for your clean water and maybe a red bucket for your wastewater. You don't want that grit getting back into your freshwater tank, contaminating your freshwater tank. So the top of the machine and the front of the machine is your fresh water, and then the back side of the machine is going to be your wastewater. This is your lid for your wastewater tank. This is the stack for the vacuum motors. That's just the PVC pipe coming up and through. And then down inside, of course, that's where your wastewater goes. So as your vacuum sucks your dirty water into here, it just goes down in your waste tank. And then the way to dump it, of course, is going to be on the back side. This is your guillotine valve here. I am always a big fan of, after you're dumping, once you're done with a job, pour some fresh water into your waste tank through this lid, maybe slosh it around a little bit, and then dump again. That'll help clean out this valve and keep this valve clean, because if any dirt or grit or sand gets stuck at the base of that guillotine valve, when you go to close it, it may not seal completely and it's gonna drip a little bit of water. When these machines come new, they do come winterized. We're in New York, so we wanna keep these winterized when they're new, so that way in shipping, there's no hoses bursting. So when you do get this machine for the first time, when it is brand new, there is gonna be antifreeze in here. You wanna make sure you rinse that out thoroughly, dump it out before you actually start cleaning. I'm a fan of running your power cord down through the handle, maybe tying a knot around the handle with your cord, and then plug that in so that way it stays out of the way. It's a very simple machine, very easy to use, very durable. The build construction is absolutely amazing. Opening up in the inside of the clamshell, and then inside you're gonna find your hoses coming off the top. And down here you have your 2 dual stage vac motors. And then down here we have our 300 PSI pump, and then just all the plumbing that goes with it. But everything is very easy to maintain, very easy to service, very simple machine to use, very durable, very rugged. These machines will last a long time for you. That's the AirCross 300D2. So it's a 300 PSI, dual 2-stage vac motors with a 12-gallon tank. If you have any questions, feel free to comment at the bottom of this video and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Have a good day.